Hi friends, today we will be seeing some really easy to make DIY. All of them cost just $2 because I got all the supplies from the dollar store. Hi friends, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Vanna. I make really easy DIY, mostly using items from the Dollar Tree. I also make home decor and organizing videos. Every Tuesday and Friday, expect a Dollar Tree haul video from me. Please consider subscribing if you like watching such videos because I would love to catch you guys my upcoming uploads. Thank you. Let's get started. The first one is nail polish painted succulent holder. The supplies you need are succulents, some nail polish colors of your choice. I chose teal, coral and grey. These tea light candle holders. You can get all of them from DT. Take a container with water, pour all the nail polish in it. Mix it to get your own desired design. Now gently place the tea light holder and rotate around so that all parts of it get the polish on it. I did a mistake here by using a small container. If you use a big container, you can get a more spread out design look. Now take the succulent and cut the stick part of it. Just place it on top of the tea light holder. You don't even have to glue it. I made 2 of this and this is the final look. I just love it. The next one is the hanging succulent terrarium. The supplies you need are these terrariums, succulents, little white stones, the green or reindeer moss and some twine. Again, you can get all of them from the dollar store. First create a loop at the top of the twine. Loop around some extra twine to create this look. This one gives a more polished look than just having a single threaded twine look. I screwed in some hoop nails to the beam in my kitchen to hang them. Next, fill in some white stones. This will weigh down the terrariums. Next, add the moss. Now just stick in the succulent. This is the final look. The same one sells for $26 in Crate and Barrel and you can make it for $2. These are all my $2 hanging terrariums and I just love it. The next one is the easiest of the 3. It's the masculine, feminine, floating frames. I will tell the reason for the name soon. The supplies you need are the wood look-alike photo frames and these decals. Just remove the back cover and the white paper from the photo frame and put back the glass. Now stick this bull head covered with flowers in the center. Now you know why I called it masculine and feminine. You will see the black back flaps in front a little. Just conceal them by adding the flowers on top of it on the glass. This is the final look, folks. I paired it with the wall art I hauled in my previous videos. I have this on my bathroom just above my extra bath tissue holder. And I just love the look. Thank you folks. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite DIY of the 3. See you next time. Bye bye.